Hello everyone, this video is for the Progressive Kids Unity Game Design class, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to install the Unity game engine. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and click on Google Chrome, and then I'm going to go ahead and go onto unity.com, and then once that loads up, I'm going to click on the blue Getting Started button. I'll go click on Individual, and then under Personal, Get Started. And then over here under first time users, I'm going to click on start here, and then I'm going to click on agree and download. And now what it's going to do is it's going to start downloading the installer for the Unity Hub software. Now what Unity Hub allows you to do is manage all of your Unity installations, different versions of Unity you might have, and different projects that use different versions of Unity. So we're going to wait for that to finish downloading. And once that finishes downloading, you can click on this arrow over here, click on Show in Folder, and then open up your Downloads folder, and then double click on the Unity Hub Setup application. Click on Yes, click on I agree, click on Install, and then wait for it to finish installing. It'll only take a few seconds. There we go. Click on Finish, and it'll automatically open up Unity Hub for you. Now you might see this pop up over here. Just click on Allow Access. And then you might see a setup wizard open up instead of this screen over here. Just in the bottom left corner, click on Skip Wizard, and then you'll be brought onto this page over here. Now what you're probably going to want to do is click on this person icon over here, and then click on Sign In and make a brand new Unity account. And if you don't want to make a brand new Unity account, you can probably just go ahead and click on Sign In with Google, preferably using the Google account that you're already using to be in the Google Classroom. Alright, you can just click on Allow. It should sign you in automatically. And now once you're done with that, what you want to do is create a brand new install of Unity. So I'm going to go ahead and under Installs, I'm going to click on Add. I'm going to click on the newest version. I'm going to click on Next. And then under here, you want to click on installing Microsoft Visual Studio. That's going to be the text editor that you're going to be using to create all of your Unity scripts. And then you can click on WebGL Build Support, and you can click on Documentation, and if you also want to, you can click on Android Build Support. Once you have all that selected, click on Next, agree to the terms and conditions, click on Next again, agree again, and click Done. You should see a window pop up, just click on Yes. And then in a moment it should begin the install for the Unity version you want. Now this installation does take a pretty long time, so just leave this going on in the background and do whatever else you want on your computer. And preferably have this installation done well before the first class, because this Unity is a pretty large application, so it does take quite a while for it to download and install. So see you until then. Alright, so this is the screen you should see to signify that Unity has finished installing. So you should see the Unity icon with the version number and an icon for Android and WebGL build support. Now you should also have Visual Studio installed, because if you remember we checked that too. So just to confirm that, under the search bar just search up Visual Studio, and you should see Visual Studio pop up just like that. We can click on Maybe Later, click on the default theme, and then we can click on Start Visual Studio. It'll take a little while to start up for the very first time. And then there we go. So now we know that Visual Studio is installed properly. If you want to, you can right click and pin it to the taskbar. And you can probably do the same with Unity Hub as well. Alright, and now to get started with your very first Unity project, what we're going to want to do is actually go into our desktop and click on right click on New, and then Folder. and then go ahead and type in something like Unity projects. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under project, under Unity Hub. I'm going to click on new, and then I'll click on 3D, and then for the project name I'll call it lesson 1, and then under location I'm going to go under desktop, and then I'll click on the folder we just created, Unity projects, and I'll click on select folder. I'll go ahead and click on create. Unity Hub will close, and then it'll open up in Unity. And under the Unity projects folder that we just created, under lesson 1, you can see that Unity has created a bunch of the basic layout for our project. And now Unity is gonna, as I said before, Unity is a pretty large program, so it's gonna take a little while to launch. So let's just go ahead and wait for Unity to finish opening up. Alright, there we go. So this is Unity. This is how you successfully, properly install Unity for the Progressive Kids game design class. I hope you were able to get it working properly. If you weren't able to, or if you have any questions, be sure to let us know. Alright, that's all, and thanks for watching.